last one, seriously hard-working bee. Just show you the habitat. I only know because I watched him go in. Fantastic. Very tempting to move that leaf, but I'm not going to. Incredible, really. This is quite capped down here because I put well rotted manure on because of the flatworm issues. So you can get capping, but with bees and ants creating aeration, and beetles, centipedes, millipedes, all creating aeration. Oh, I'm going to just move it just to see. Just to see. I don't want it to stir. Sorry. There you go. Oh my God, look. Go for it. Such a tough creature. Flew in there, it knew it, so it's obviously been going back and forth. Now I'm going to put the leaf back.